Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Travel packing for kids. For stress-free travel with kids, pack essentials like snacks, toys, and entertainment. Bring spare clothes, diapers, and wipes. Don't forget medications and first aid supplies. Keep documents handy. Consider travel games and a tablet for long journeys. Keep it light and organized for smooth trips. Here are essential points to consider when packing for kids. Clothing. Pack appropriate clothing for the destination and activities planned. Include a mix of comfortable everyday wear, weather-appropriate attire, and special outfits if needed. Footwear. Bring comfortable shoes suitable for walking and any specific activities planned, such as hiking boots, sandals for the beach, or dress shoes for formal occasions. Toiletries. Pack essential toiletries such as toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, sunscreen, and insect repellent. Consider travel-sized options to save space. Medications. Bring any necessary medications your child may need, along with a first aid kit containing bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications. Entertainment. Keep kids entertained during travel with items such as books, coloring books, crayons, puzzles, toys, tablets loaded with games or movies, and headphones. Snacks. Pack a variety of snacks to keep hunger at bay during travel and outings. Choose healthy options like fruits, nuts, granola bars, and crackers, along with some treats for special occasions. Travel gear. Don't forget essential travel gear like car seats, strollers, baby carriers, travel cribs, and diaper bags. Make sure these items are in good condition and meet safety standards. Documentation. Bring any necessary travel documents such as passports, visas, identification cards, travel insurance information, and medical records for your child. Comfort items. Pack comforting items from home like a favorite blanket, stuffed animal, or bedtime storybook to help your child feel secure in unfamiliar surroundings. Emergency contact information. Keep a list of emergency contacts, including phone numbers for pediatricians, family members, and accommodations, easily accessible in case of emergencies. By considering these points when packing for your kids, you can ensure they have everything they need for a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Adjust the packing list based on the length of the trip, mode of transportation, and specific needs of your child. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.